let us move to the next lesson, everyone. Everyone, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. It gives us more information about how, when, where, how often, or how much something happens. Alright? So let us look at the types of adverbs. First, adverbs of manner. These tell us how something happens. For example, she runs quickly. How does she run? Quickly, alright? We also use words like slowly, carefully, and well. I hope everyone understands about this, everyone. Next, adverbs of time. These tell us when something happens. For example, I will go tomorrow, or she arrived early. So they answer the question when. Next, adverbs of place. These tell us where something happens. For example, come here, or they are outside. So they answer where, isn't it? I hope you understand about this. Next, everyone, it is about adverbs of frequency. These tell us how often something happens. For example, she always studies, or they sometimes play football. These are very common in daily English. I hope everyone understands about how to use adverbs of frequency correctly in sentences. Alright, finally, adverbs of degree. These tell us how much or to what level. For example, she is very happy, or this is too difficult. They give extra meaning to adjectives or actions. Alright? Now, remember this important point, everyone. Many adverbs end in "ly", like quickly or slowly, but not all adverbs. Some are different, like fast or well. Okay? So I hope you understand about this part. Let us look at some structures. She speaks clearly. It means an adverb after a verb. Okay? Very beautiful. It means an adverb before an adjective. One more. Very quickly. It means an adverb before an adverb. So adverbs are very flexible, aren't they, everyone? So I hope you understand about this part clearly. Alright, so remember, everyone, adverbs give us more detail about actions and descriptions. They help us explain how, when, where, how often, and how much. And they make our sentences clearer and more natural, doesn't it? Alright, so I hope you understand about adverb clearly.